Well, hello, it's time for some math. I wanted to go over this poster because it has something on it that I would like us to do with the activity that we're going to do today. It has the number represented in a few different ways. So on each one, it has the numeral, okay, which we just call the number sometimes. It has the number word. It shows it if it was on like a dice or a domino. It shows a counter, so 1 cube. It shows it on a 10 frame. It shows it as a finger, okay, and it shows it as a tally. And it does that for each one, okay? If we take a look at it too, the different representations, number, word, dice, 10 frame, counters, fingers, tally marks. All the way through 3 does the same thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then if you notice when it runs out of room here on on a side of a dice usually, then it'll take it to like a domino looking thing so that you have 5 and 1, like it shows 5 and 1 here. And remember our tally marks that we have, if we have 4 we cross it to make 5. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that just really quickly because we are going to use a few of those things in our work today. So this is some math with some farm animals. And here we go. So what I would like us to do is we're going to count the animals. We're going to write the numeral. We're going to write the word, and I would like us to try to make a little mini 10 frame there. Okay, so I'm going to write my name first, of course. And as I figured it out earlier, my name is Ms. Griggs. Phew, that was a close one. Okay, and we are going to count our farm animals. Okay, right here we have pigs, and we did some pig writing today. So we're going to count some pigs now. So I'm going to touch them as I count them because that's a good way for me not to make a mistake or not to leave any out. And I like to go in order too. I don't want to jump around because then I might miss some. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pigs. Okay, so I am going to write the number 9. So a circle and a line, you're doing fine. That's how you make a number 9. And up top here, I'm going to write 9, N, I, N, E, and then I'm going to draw a 10 frame. And I'm going to color in 9 of the boxes on my 10 frame. So I'm going to go ahead and use a different color so we can see it easily. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I showed it in 3 different ways. I represented it 3 different ways. Okay, down here we have some cows. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cows. So I'm going to make my numeral. Start up high and roll down low. That's how you make a 6, you know. And I'm going to write the word S-I-X. And I'm going to make my little 10 frame here. And I'm going to color in 6 boxes on my 10 frame to show what that would look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we know if we have the top full, we talked about that last week, that's 5 of them, and 1 more makes 6. Okay, there's my 3 representations. I have some chickens. 1, 2, 3 chickens. So I'm going to make my number 3 around the tree and around the tree. That's how you make a number 3. I'm going to write the word 3. T-H-R-E-E is 3. And I'm going to do my 10 frame. And I'm going to color in 3 boxes on my 10 frame. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next one I have some goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 goats. So across the sky, down from heaven, that's how you make a number 7. I'm going to write 7, and I'm going to do a 10 frame. That's kind of a crazy looking one. But like I always say, we're doing our best. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, 6 and 7. Very good. Okay. And here we go. I got some horses. 1, 2 horses. This is my favorite one. Remember this, guys, where we go around and back on a railroad track. That's how you make a 2. 2, 2. 2 is spelled T-W-O. That's how we write the number 2. It's not like our sight word 2 that we learned already, T-O. Like I went to the store. That's the number 2. That's how we would write the name. And I'm going to put 2 little squares of my 10 frame colored in, too. And my last part down here is some sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheep. And 8 goes down the path and back through the gate. That's how you make a number 8. And 8 is a funny looking word. E-I-G-H-T. There are all kind of funny letters in there that don't make any sounds. That's definitely like a sight word we would have to memorize. And make my 10 frame here. And I'm going to color 8 of those in to represent it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this is what I would like you to do. Obviously, like I always say, you don't have to print this out at all. What you can do is count them, and then on another little piece of paper, write your numeral 9, write your number 9, and make a 10 frame. Okay, easy to do. If you do print it out, you can color in your little guys if you feel like it. And thank you for doing math with me.